The story for day 11 is all about Liam and Emily writing their letters to Santa, and this is totally another case of just having way too many pictures. So I'm trying to come up with a plan to incorporate the ones that I want to use to tell the story the most. I've narrowed it down to kind of some groupings or themes. So I've got a picture printed at 4x6 of Liam with his letter to Santa, as well as like a close-up of the actual letter and then some of his handwriting on there. And then same thing for Emily. There's Emily holding her letter to Santa, complete with blue fingers from a craft project they had been doing in the after-school program that day. And then again a close-up of her letter so we can see it more clearly and some of her handwriting on there. And then I've got like what I would call like nice pictures of the kids doing their writing, and then I've got more kind of like of the reality of what that looked like. I know that these pictures probably don't really seem like great quality pictures, but these ones I actually really love because it's just showing Liam in his element in the way that he kind of positions himself at the table and with his knees up on the chair and his feet up, and I just love looking at him and his posture as he's doing his writing over here. And then the same thing with Emily. Like, this picture tells such a story. She was 6 years old at the time. It had been a long day at school and she was tired. She wasn't really into this whole idea of writing more stuff down on the paper. So there's me helping her while she's all wrapped up in her blanket at the dining table. And so I really like this picture and I want to include it because I think it tells more of the story about what this experience was like writing the letters to Santa. And then I also have a photo here of us at the post office and the lovely post office clerk offering the kids candy canes. And I was going to use this, the colors are actually really bright when it's printed. This is even like a muted version of that photo where I've toned it down, but the colors are really kind of clashy a little bit with the other pictures I've selected so far. So I reprinted it in black and white. And what I want to do is to combine this photo with this number 11 here and turn it into like a little pocket to be able to hold some of these pictures. So here is kind of my breakdown of what's going to happen here. I'm going to use these pictures that I really like of like the real story of them writing their letters over in the pockets on the left hand side, the 3x4 pockets. I am then going to take these 4x6 photos and stick them back to back like this so that they can tuck inside that extra pocket. The other thing that I think I want to do is to actually add on an extra clear pocket, and I'm going to tuck their other picture of them writing their letters inside of there. I'm not sure if I'll do it on that side or that side. I'm not sure yet. I'll figure it out. So same thing. There's Liam. So these are going to tuck inside this pocket over here. And then in terms of filling up the extra pockets over here, I pulled a couple extra pieces from my stash and I'm going to play and see what I can come up with here. I believe that this was a Kelly Purkey kit from several years ago, and I'll do some journaling on there. I've also got a couple of kind of stamp themed die cuts. Some are from previous Kelly Purkey kits, and I think the other ones are from Feed Your Craft kit, holiday kit in the past. So that's my plan. Let's see what happens as I get working on it here.